Hey, yazi kusangizwe ngaze ngathi uyangifila. All of this fake love mina izongicika. Ingakho umali umakhado wayicisha. Mangayisho engomeni ngisangayiphila. Mangayisho kanye futhi sangayiphinda. I'm going in vele uba nozongivimba. They say they stepping bagcoba amasimi. Mangakhuluma ngemali ukhuluma amasimi.
You ain't big stepping, you backstabbing. They my punch, niggas know that I'm jabbing.
Still in the hood, niggas know that I'm trapping. Still on my hustle, you know that I'm selling.
2025 see goals, we jamming. Swan my gully, but we running.
Came from nothing, but we shine like a diamond. Came from nothing, but we shine like a diamond.
Niggas stacking the mic, petting them back, I'm attacking my pipe. Chorang I think what that bitch you can suck.
Yeah, bitch you can suck. Ey, mbuza solange, fake nezathu uyithola ngaphandle afuna uswisa bashoda ngamandla you cannot relate sikhuluma ngezandla ungazami zokuxaka my blow up tomorrow. Come here little bitch, come and take us a photo. Angena umizo he
jump at the pole long hammer solo ngifina my call. God little bitch zokuqedela umholo.
Edela ikhona uzobhema uzokhola endleleni esisaswes vele sibhenga kuyona bathi ngingqanda ublind ezoshoda ngepromo what the fuck is this saying? Kusangizwe ngaze ngathi uyangifila. All of this fake love mina izongicika. Ingakho umali umakhado wayicisha. Mangayisho engomeni ngisangayiphila. Mangayisho kanye futhi sangayiphinda. I'm going in vele uba nozongivimba. They say they stepping bagcoba amasimi. Mangakhuluma ngemali ukhuluma amasimi.
Finish up with us Gambari. It's like away. Away.
Yeah, this is like
Martin, friend, my friend,
It's like going friend.
It's not away. Martin, the corner dog. Friend, keep away, Martin.
On clip, boy.
That's all the page. No, let's handle it, Machita. Fair too. Really appreciate you guys visiting the barber shop. Fair too. It's all good. It's all lit in fair too.
Yeah.
Pet to the sea goats.
Yeah, sea goats. Yeah, imbuza solwandle
Sure,
phethu.
imbuza solwandle.
Madide imbuza solwandle. Sea goats.
What inspired the name vele bafowethu?
kahle mfethu usigosi mfethu angithi mina kahle afane thing umazi uzalwa ngoJanuary.
Sure.
Nami ngizalwa ngoJanuary.
Sure.
So mina ngizalwa ngomhla 10 January yena is
16, sure, 16
So,
January. Sama Capricorn.
Oh.
Masiko sama Capricorn phethu.
Ngiyayibamba
manje
yeah, no deep talk because phela khuluma ama star signs vele.
Yeah.
Can't see the same energy. Like you guys have the same energy, that's what I mean.
Exactly.
Oh, but it's a great pleasure. So usulimphethe kanjani? What are you up to? Namhlanje khwanda bese kuseni uvuke wenzani?
bese ngivuka bese ngavula inqola bese kuseni ngovuka. Like bese ngikhansele bese.
Away, zinqola kanjani bafu?
Inqola bese ama fruits bese.
Oh shit, pusha ama fruits vele.
Yeah, ama fruits.
So mashishini, bro.
So mashishini, let's go. Wapusha kephi inqola
Pusha
yakho?
around bese uphuzisile ngesitolo sithana bese.
Oh, showcase we about.
Yeah.
Ukephi lokushini lakho?
Mawutana.
Oh, Emawutana.
Yeah,
Oh,
bese
wait.
kunemawudi
Oh,
dog.
bese no, let's go. But bese isinjani isimo laphana eMawoti because like hey lately fethu iMawoti fethu
Hey, dog, we always trending phethu. Asikazi kuvela ngento enhle nje phethu. But yeah, we don't want to dwell on that too much. Kodwa nje dog, tough, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, phethu.
Yabona nje uzama bese uzama into esile le ndawo bro. It's hard. Kumele ube umuntu first yabo nje okwazi ukubekezela.
Yeah.
Basangabuyisa ngezinto eziningi bro.
Exactly, dog.
Yantshela futhi nanompointela.
Too much ke phethu. Yabo.
Bad.
So yabo most wemawudi phethu you really need to make it uphume khona phethu. It inspires you ukuthi yabo uhustleishwa ngempela phethu. So you can get out elokishini phethu. Akhona namanye amalokishi angekho grand. So uma uthi selokishini phethu you gotta find a way out.
And the factor part is all over abaningi bese umuntu ayidlala nabo like they are dead face. Abasekho.
Yeah, people you grew up with dog.
Esasikhula nawo programs that
Sure.
mhlawumbe sidlala ibhola
Sure.
most of us abasekho bese like I got bad memories about Leanda bese yabo izinto eziningi bese just lost my cousin ngoJanuary.
Yo, bro, shit.
And in a very
It's a documentary dog indawo yalapho. You can document izinto ezenzakalayo.
Wathulele emgaqweni. Hey, but fethu no fethu it's so inspiring fethu to find you guys pushing regardless of the circumstances that you are faced with in your coming up, yabo.
Yeah.
So you guys are telling us Namasi Ghost like Capricorn. So what kind of music that you decided to do first, like hip hop? What inspired you guys to do hip hop in this time and era?
Okay, I can start. Well, me and Avit, I can just say I was inspired by firstly my uncle malume wami uSiya Shezi, but I don't know if you guys know him.
Siya Shezi is your uncle. Oh,
hey. So yena
okay,
muntu.
shout out.
Yeah, and then Lil Wayne mesukuthi uKwanda, yeah, because he's the first person wangifaka music yabo ngirecord and yabo yonke leyo nto.
So imake bafuna ukhule ndawonye noma
yeah, we grew up together because sasendaweni eyodwa and Sondeleni la sihlala khona, but it's not far from where I'm living now. It's just across the road.
Sure. No, I feel you, my dog. I feel you. No, that's dope, Fethu. So, Fethu, I listen to your music, Jazz, Fethu. I love the new sound, Fethu. So, what inspired the new sound that you guys are doing? Because, like, Mangbuwa, like, back in the years, Ben Gens and the sound in Nyenza Manje. And right now, the sound in Nyenza Manje, Fethu, hey, Fethu, I could not invite you guys, Fethu, we love your Baba show, Fethu. No, I could clip. But it's that. Durban track.
It's the new wave, dog. It's the new wave, but at the same time, we don't want to sound like everybody. We sound like
the aim was that, the aim was like, about very face. Why if it's in my shop, it's in my manager, I was like, okay, Mutmela Akupuli style, what the manager as Kruger as he
Sure.
Yeah, I'm not something you got to do what they want.
Yeah, umuntu angayibuzi mawungena ngomeni ubalo yabo kufanele wezwe ukuthi okay, this is Kwanda, this is Mizo yabo hayi manje ukuthi makusezwakala ukuthi uba uculayo
yo looking ilahla lelikama dog. Shout out to the Baba show.
Away, it's like away.
Away, Lord, that's deep.
And then you know what's like coming up is gang dance or
oh shit.
Dance.
Shy bang.
Ana mangisabheki nickel banger.
Yes, sure. I won't get issues specific hip hop because hip hop yeah shy. Sure. But the man ne come winning is being
clip engakushayela amavosha ayiclipper lo mjini.
That's a bar.
Because I've noticed the only thing that's like it's bass and drum. That's the only thing that's moving my face. That was not inside what the manager I've noticed it's bass and drum. Move vocalistic. Vocalistic is not even like you see we piano are cool. Cause why rap? First time Maz I knew that. Sure. What the manager hey man, you say very long and I could find the piano one time.
Sure. So what's the reason behind that?
Yeah, who's in like books?
Sure.
One folks myself and food now means I just wanna like Safunu's for me comfort zone.
Yeah, it's for explore and things.
Because I think that we comfort zone, no comfort zone no.
But don't you think it's not like your comfort zone, it's understanding your craft and just believing in that specific in aspect. Yeah, because I think if umuntu comfortable, umuntu who doesn't push that much. But you find people who deliver, who always give their best. But I understand that people don't want to try new things. Because that's been like the debate.
See how my shows over there. And the most heartbreaking thing was Masufel show is about they don't want to listen to your music.
Yeah, that's the saddest thing as an artist.
Has that ever happened to you guys?
No, but we've seen it before.
I've seen it before.
Oh, but I'm going to why don't you guys say Tina, especially Malokshini, we haven't worked hard to create the hip hop market because ngeke vele uye kubantu who are exposed to igqom. And when you say one rap, I think it's not based on ukuthi they don't want to listen to your song. Ukuthi Tina, we are delivering music to the wrong market.
Yeah,
exactly, bro.
That's
exactly.
Great point. That's it. I'll make an example of my mother. Me popular like man. Oh, imagine that little big Nas. I won't think that they die.
Oh, shake.
But usesebona ukuthi mina ngiyawenza music netoreki show into was relate again. I speak I language ayizwayo. So manje uyabuza music kwakho kanje nayibona. And futhi ungitshela wathi how uyadansa nje indaba ungazama crossover uzama into kanje. I was like ngiyithanda nami lo ngisazoyenza. Sure. With my other I would like to involve family bese music kwami, so that's why ngifuna manje.
Sure. No, I like that, bro, because there's lento bethu yona phela ejwayele uba inkinga when you have to like
Bruh.
make your family understand that you
Bruh.
are a rapper. Yabo, uma wakho
bafuna uhambe uyofunda and get a
Sure.
job dog. So like they don't understand ukuthi umusic yabo mfethu ungaphilisa mfethu
hayi shane pheliza ayifuni nini
Akayizwa mfethu. Hey,
But do you blame abazali when they say ukuthi no mfethu music ngeke ukwazi ukufika kuona, provided the circumstances ukuthi mfethu like kukancane mfethu to find people like especially kwindawo esikhule kuzona. I'm not being like a pessimist,
Yeah.
but I'm just trying to accommodate them, yabo, because they may be watching mhlawumbe khona ingane yakho that you've been telling ukuthi hambe esikoleni yabo lona. I want to listen to DJ Fresh. So DJ Fresh said ukuthi okay, you are great in what you're doing, yabo, but what if you studied something that's related to it? How great could you be?
exactly.
Yeah.
So I believe ukuthi the debate is still on. I went to college, I did my thing. Unfortunately, fortunately enough, I didn't like pursue mechanical engineering
exactly.
to the highest level because of
Yeah.
my reasons.
Yeah.
But in the show, like 90% of abantu who come up in the hood, they say they do music. Out of 100%, 90% don't make it, and that's reality.
That's reality mfethu yabo ukuthi phela yabo the industry mfethu ngathini sikhona ispace ku industry but it's really hard to break through yabo. So nami nje music mfethu, well I went to study nami ngafunda DUT and then I graduated khona, and I'm grateful ukuthi music ngiqale after graduated, because I think that if I started music while I was still studying, I probably would have dropped out yabo. I probably would have ngashiya nje ngathi yazi mfethu ngizoba i-artist mina ngini ukuthi ngiyaphumelela mfethu yabo. But then mfethu kwamele ube no plan A ube no plan B mfethu in case A wakho ungasebenzi yabo.
Exactly.
Hey.
When a keeper, as someone who's also in the music industry, this debate, Choguchi, you have to like do music, you have to go study.
First, like at that day, I didn't really focus on.
Yambona nkosi point.
Didn't focus on making music. First,
Sure.
Same as my nigga right there. First.
Yeah.
Music, I'm focusing on cool on such scale, because the only thing talk, to be honest, dynamic. Jenny Tamarana, we talk to me, that talk. Already didn't like good Namisha music. First, I had to finish school, and get first.
Sure.
Shy scale and I started. Then she bought me equipment, so nakala nama shy shamizamini nane first music.
Sure.
Live DJ.
Yeah, part time go to
Nakubona la
Oh yeah, ngikasi perform engo wayikhona mfethu. Oh wena uphethe iplate lapha ngemuva. Ngiyakhumbula dog.
Ushaya ipicture ndo guys.
Do igqomo kakhulukazi mengi DJ yabo.
Yayibona into engisho.
Showcase nikalam.
Yayibona into engisho.
Yeah, music ifethu uyayithola indlela yokuxhumana.
Okunye futhi sedubane lesikho.
Yeah.
Igqomo will forever be big at Dubane dog. I don't.
La khona.
La khona.
I love what man.
Isigubhu into yethu
mfethu.
mfethu.
Pasha le man kukata ikipili.
Depend carpower.
Powder, sure.
Nika yabo mina ngiyasho ukuthi namanje uma mkhukati besa wish to work with that nigga because uwenza into engihlezi mphupha ngayo. I've always dreamed about this.
Yabeni uhlezi
Hlanganisa igqom ne hip hop because we are from Durban, bro.
Sure.
From Durban.
So you can say ukuthi part of your inspiration is Ikati and maybe Ubeast, because Ubeast is doing also that.
Yeah, makudubana mina bese makudubana I'm inspired. That's fun about Matanono. I don't think Matanono is getting credit there from a back so Matanono bese MC.
Matanono mfethu washayela mfethu yazi yangibambi ndanda Ndanda we ngangisase Phoenix Tech dog.
Namanje bro
Wongekho TikTok.
namanje sayibhenga lento mfethu.
Wongekho no IG. Ala ngoma yaphushani kodwa.
Bro, imagine.
Sana hosh dog.
Imagine
Yona ithanda hosh lengisho. Yona ithaza dog, I'm just living this. Yeah, look keep balling. Exciting. So guys, but we're speaking about breaking in the industry. Yeah, but manje mina I believe that it's much easier.
It's much
we with the
man.
platform.
Yeah, with all the tools that we have nowadays,
Sure,
about TikTok, Facebook, you can really push yourself, Instagram.
Sure.
Yabo.
And manje sekulula ukurelease phela into ebibe inkinga is like to distribute your music.
Yeah.
So Nina guys, are you planning to be signed or like you wanna be indie? Like for the longest time.
Mina ngophendula lo mbuzo.
Sure.
That's the main thing that I wanted to do, because each time my person will always tell me about the partnership, about that's the indaba partnership. Mina wish ukuthi umuntu ngifundise noluva bami. You understand? As general, I think you got soldiers. There's lento awunayo skill set, but you've managed to expand the skill set.
Sure.
So I mean, I feel ukuthi nese skills ngakhulu. Ngoba I can get someone who can do something else. Kodwa useduze kwami yabo.
Sure.
Ungaziwe kude bekuthatha la
Singaziwe kude phezulu. Singaziwe kodwa singabasebenzisa laba abasebenzi kodwa ngendlela yethu yabo. Team yethu phezulu.
asambi sodwa samba neteam.
Sambe sonke phezulu.
So you guys wanna be independent but you wanna have your own team.
Yeah, longevity bro.
Sure.
Sesingasebenza ukuthi yabo una experience siyafuna umnele experience yomuntu. Kodwa manje ngifuna ukuba nabantu esengibaziyo yabo lo.
Sure.
Yeah, I think bethu lento esho yona ebaluleke more than anything, yabo. Because bethu maku kanjalo everybody plays their role,
Yeah,
yabo.
and then if you uhleli nabantu vele obazi, you can be yourself, because uyabazi usuwanabo vele from uyabazi from dala. It's not like someone you met usuphumelele.
Ukwazi before
Uyakwazi kwazi yonke version yakho, the broke version, the successful version, yabo.
Sure.
Vele.
I feel you, dog. Because bethu like in the industry bethu there's so many roles that even us like right now was but we don't know like what there's someone who does that.
Yeah.
But I mean I think first like exposing yourself to a label, like just to talk about Unesty. Unesty, what he did first, he opened toe rags but he's got signed. So I think ukusayina kwakhe was main on ukuthi he was learning the ins and outs of the game. The business
that's what
side.
I'm saying.
Sure.
I can get somebody who's inside the business.
Sure.
Just to learn the business. I want to know I'm a radio station, know who's working at the radio station, who's the music compiler, who's doing this, who's doing this. Ubanu nkuluma na SAPC. Ubawa zugusu, kawa FM, about everything.
Be exposed.
Ngizobuyela emuva ngikhulume nabantu bami sengabatshela phezulu mafuna ukwenza 1 2 3 yabo sesingaka sazi sesingayindaweni ukuze yabo sesingayindaweni ukuze izinto zibe fast kodwa ngibone manje abantu ngoba ngilapha esitolo ngishiya omunye umuntu endo umuntu enclose naye lo uyayibuka lonke okay kuyasebenzeka ngalendlela phezulu ngakwazi ukuthi nomunye umuntu nawe uyafunda ngalendlela yakho ufunda I don't know ngayiphi nje kodwa uyafunda yobe umshiyele lapha ingqondo yakhe yaqaqqa neskill naso futhi uyasifunda.
Okay.
So ezinye izinto I feel like akumele uzuyele esikoleni because manje ngethanda akaze lesibe esikoleni aza IB varsity nani kodwa nje kubalekile ukuthi kumele ube discipline na.
So no bethu no ngiyakuthola khona bethu, it's all about that bethu. So in the industry bethu I really feel like if right now is the time for like the young guns to just keep on pushing so we see the likes of Tony Daimane, Usimamane, Amaqwele, they're taking the hip hop scene like in Joburg. So do you guys like look at moving as time goes by to also look for opportunities in the city of gold, or you just wanna own it?
Amfethu yabo mawufuna uphusha wangempela la kumculo wakho dog. Yeah, MG. Amobuka amanika amaningi acula ngale mfethu. MG asuke eDubai no Nesto Play Kamaqwele. Yabo nje mfethu bonke imngosti abasuka ngale ibona abantu abayiphakamisa hip hop yabo and basuka la eDurban baphushela eJozi bashiya amakhaya bashiya yonke. Yabo so nathi kuyomele at some point ukuthi sihambe siyophusha khona mfethu. Yabo.
Yeah, I'm full value because we value full way.
Yeah.
The end mina bengithi ilo nyaka kodwa ilo nyaka umuntu wabambela izinto zenzulu nana.
Sure. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. It's
ngifisha moya washathe power ngiyinkinga moya ngifisa uma ngilala ngino jazz amsonto kodwa nginawo jazz ngisebenzisa mangezo music yabo. So nje uyazama ukwenza ezinye izinto kodwa mama ususosi besikhonto ufuna ukuya masiyathe so ayike baba ukusi kunenkinga maqala wenza one nosuku one nosuku ngibona
la ngiqale khona phela
into zezulu para
ngiyakuthola thina
phazamisa ijeni
So kubalulekile ukuthi atha serious mfethu kubaluleke kakhulu yabo because we black people we can never run away from that mfethu we spiritual beings yabo ngeke uyibalekele leyo nto ngisho ngakuphi mfethu kumele uqale kwizulu sometimes kumele uqale kwizinto zakho zezulu yabo wenze zona before uphumelele
kumele uyilungiselele mfethu ya no mfethu izimo lezo mfethu ejule kakhulu because mfethu zizijulile and mfethu isn't that we need to open our eyes and look towards yabo because mfethu umuntu is a spiritual being yabo so you cannot like neglect your spiritual being yabo so different people like like work towards that journey differently from others yabo but mfethu it's all about being enlightened. And it's all about it, looking above all the time about it. Because spiritual realm akubusi imoya emihle kuphela. Kunale moya engalungile. So you need to be aware of that each and every time, and always try to find the best out of everything. And so guys, we're gonna be performing 2 songs,
Yeah, 2 songs.
I'm so inspired by your sound, I don't know lie, it's fresh. It's
It's
new,
very catchy dog yabo kumele mfethu ukwazi ugrab attention yomuntu olalelayo yabo so umuntu kumele relate ku music wakho ungathi uyacula wena mfethu ucula ngento unganayo you singing about chains ucula everything that you don't have okay we understand sometimes you are manifest but just keep it real mfethu ucula monga-blow up kubalekile ukuthi isound yakhe ibe catch ucule ngento umuntu onjengawe ezorelate kuyona yabo ungasitsheli ngama Lamborghini nani we understand you want that for yourself but keep it real mfethu mawusashizila cula ngempilo yakho yabo and then once you've made it you can rap about diamonds you can rap about cars so nazo vele it's yours you worked hard for it yabo
so talking about that mfethu like you're gonna be releasing an EP, right?
Yeah, C Codes mixtape volume 1.
It's a mixtape, sure. It's a mixtape. So and it's casual because the sky told you the sound as the Baba Show listeners. And it's casual good what sound you guys made like the teen.
What inspired the project?
Showcase.
Like this mountain, about the spartans and our face was going over.
Yeah.
Just
ngachaza khwanda ngina pass it to my dog khwana
like le mixtape oh it 2024 miles if I'm not mistaken
yeah we've been working on it since 2024
yeah since 2024 khona nokhazini wami mfethu wayekhona kodwa sasipana naye akasekho manje ayekho close kodwa nje ezinye ingoma akazazi yabo sasipane naye wahamba
relocate yabo
khona Onex I think now sipane naye
King Nexo.
King Nexo yeah King
the
Nexo
goat of posters. I'm just going to shout out my poster kudala. Shout out.
The guy
King Nexo angkhawatha dog. Shy betting celebration la. Hey, it's all about bonke bafuna ukuperform. Hey, next ngafuna ukuphuma stage dog. Shout out next dog. I'm teasing dog. I'm just shouting out. Okay.
petty round
Okay.
Yeah. Pesibani aba khona abantu besazisipana nabo think uBlack Tea noma
yeah Black Tito umngani wakho Nexo vele naye so sipana naye Black Tito and a couple of other artists abangazi abangadumi mfethu yabo we're trying to work with as much artists as we can mfethu and abantu abaclose abakhona eduze yabo ukusebenza nabantu abangaphumeleli for now mfethu yabo
Now for you, my dog, it's all leads to as we prepare for the performances, but to quick word to those guys, to abangakholelwa ukuthi music wabo can actually make it out there like la abagcina ingoma khona abantu abahlala nengoma ezu50 benga release so bashaye self confidence. So what can you give inspiration to Lamajita? What inspiration can you give to them?
Mina all I can say is more wena ungakholelwa ukuthi lento yakho izophumelela shuthi ngiyiphumelela if you don't believe it you might as well just give up ulale mfethu.
yazi mfethu ukhuluma ngeyiphi umazwa athanda ingoma ehlala umazwa ayithanda
Ngifuna ingoma iphume mina. I don't want to make music ezohlala in my back room dog. Mele iphume dog. Mele iphume ingoma mfethu. You can't make music uhlale in the back room mfethu. Mstoy there. Ama hits maningi mfethu. Uma wadlala abantu bahlala. So kumele aphume.
ngasi ngaqalulelisa abantu ehlala nawo
Exactly, dog. Abantu around you, they need to
Abazokunika honest opinion mfethu. Uma ubhede bekutshela uyaboza
they
dog.
need to feel it.
akufana khoma ungijisa wami bese ungagcwali usa uma umtshela because nama ngithanda mawuzothi kumini ngacula yabo leyo nto silaqa phela
Sure, boss.
na plate mawuzothi uyacula ufika mina uzothi uyacula abayithanda lokho ngathi ngabe lihlaya freestyle
Sure.
Blind ngempela all right right
Sister boy phezulu.
Ubudlawo mfethu nami ngiyayisanda like inikeze yani energy eseduze first and to listen to a song lo kodwa umuntu ezokuhleplela nje kanje umbuko
Freestyle ngento ayigqokile. Freestyle ngayo yonke into ekhona.
amasayifa ngiyawathanda ke mina amasayifa dwali sayifa bese
ayikuzoshiya namabhaza ambalo
Uyeza umlilo, uyeza umlilo.
Yes, umlilo.
Stay tuned. Silaqa uyazi nawo.
Petsu, no, Machita Petsu. It's been a great pleasure, Petsu. You're gonna wrap up with like the performances that you're gonna be doing, Machita Petsu.
yeah.
Please introduce him as a performer, dog.
ingoma oqala sobe siperforma zobe kwi Ghost Freestyle Ghost Freestyle and then esibili
Temate. Sikos freestyle netemate. Temate wangempela
Temate
futhi.
Petsu, ile team lelo lakudala Petsu leli Temate.
Temate.
Hooky boy. Ngishayile hooky boy.
Temate. This is not your lucky day. On my way. Pete zami, be afraid. We don't play go drama salad king ngaspice. Tenga phela umoya. Malethe ndo mongameli.
Yeah, wait, sauce. Hey, that boy training sauce. Drip yak tik tik the packet, rota sauce ngakubole. Gosh, hey, nalithi sami ngiyakuphosa. Flow ngayiveza noma ngayibhatha kodwa usozoyifundela. Sengilinde umuntu ozongisukela ngizomnika itiya, shoda ngoshukela ngidedela ingoma, ngile ngesibhakela ngisafuna imali ezothinta uthayele. Janukela vala ikola ngifuna isolo ngifuna ukubona iholo lami liphelele mawubhekane nami usuku uvelele ngifike ngezivinini ngafusa abale. Yeah, this is not your lucky day. On my way, better tell me be afraid. We don't play go drama salad, you know spicy. Then I pay him more, my let's send no mongamel. Then my day, this is not your lucky day. On my way, better tell me be afraid. We don't play go drama salad, you know spicy. Then I pay him more, my let's send no mongamel.
Ngidele makhomba ingozi awubhayela. K-section qeda umoya ngiyafayela. Take off your shades yadaga uyangihlangela. Dedela iscreens kuze kudaba ukuthayela. Foja le mbuzi uthusa igoats. Sikudla ngolandle sihamba ngeghost. Breaking that bed sikushayela itools. Cheers to my crew kanti shaya itoes. Hi come in ustang ngimqina. Khele ngane bena zitshela. I got your bitch and ubanjwe impela. Your man tisakle nefana nempela. Qathi iqusu mina zokuhluza. Biza amabhoga nakuzwafenda. Shout out Temba. Shwebi thina sokunemba.
Yeah, my day, this is not your lucky day. On my way, better tell me be afraid. We don't play go drama salad, you know spicy. Then I pay him more, my let's send no mongamel. Yeah, my day, this is not your lucky day. On my way, better tell me be afraid. We don't play go drama salad, you know spicy. Then I pay him more, my let's send no mongamel.